Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this video I'll show you how to use the Jellyfin app on Android TV. First, to download that app you need to go to Google. So navigate to apps and go to Google. When you're in Google, just click on the search bar to bring up the keyboard and just type in Jellyfin. So G-E-Y-E-L-L-Y, and find Jellyfin application. So navigate to it. You should find the one that has play.google.com and click on that link. That link will take you to the page where you could install the app. You see install and click on the installation button. In my case, I've opened here. This is because I already have the app installed, but in your case you should find install. When you install the app, you're going to find it in your app library, and I could just open it from right here. So opening this app, you could see the options. You need a host, so input your host right here, or you could choose a server, anyone that works best for you. Either choose a server on the available servers or input your host. You should have a host. You put the host in here and click on the connect button. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found value in it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more informative content just like this.